Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Azure Steve here, signing in. Today we will be testing how we can find out hash algorithm from the Windows itself without using any software. So how do the forensic study find out the hash algorithm from the Windows and compare the values whether your file original has been retained or it has been tampered. So I will use this folder as a demo. So let's delete this file and then we can create a new file. So this one I will call as a test file. Okay, so let me write something here. Okay, so we just write a small sentence like that. So we save this file and then let me also make another small file. So whatever we compare we will write here. Just write as value as of now. So inside this there is nothing here. So whatever that we got the value from this hash algorithm value, we will paste it there. So let's close this and then we will open our CMD. CMD, and then now we have to go to that folder, particular folder called demo. So this demo file. Okay, so this demo file we will put this one here. So we go to the desktop here. Okay, so here and let's see the desktop and then we go to the demo. So here make sure that our value is there. Yeah, so this is the one, that test file we're going to see. So I will just write here, first of all we'll open this test file and see whether our file is there. Okay, so as you can see, whatever we write, it is there. So we will retain the original file as of now. So we'll see the hash value first of all. So to view the hash value of algorithm, so we can just give this command called util. This is the commands you have to use. So hyphen hash file and our test file txt, and then which file you want to find out. Right now we will find out the MD5. So as you can see, now this file, the hash value has been given here, the MD file format. So let's copy this, go to the edit and then copy. Let's open our demo file and now I'll put in the value. So the first one is MD5. So this algorithm value is this. Now let me save this. Now what I will do is I will go to the test and then I will change the value of this. So let's find out the value and then here the small minor change I will do from here. So let me just delete this small dot and then I save the file and see whether what minor change will also change the hash value or not. So let's close that. Now let me go to the CMD again and run the same command as again. Enter. Okay, so now we copy this hash algorithm value once again, copy, and then we compare now the value here. The first one, this is the second one. So as you can see, the value is not the same. So small changes of anything in your file or the file has been tampered, then the hash value changes. That is how we can find out whether the file is retaining the originality or it has been tampered. So as you can see here, the first time we put, if I put back now dot full stop and then we will see again and save the file. Now let's close this once again, save it and run the same comments once again. Here, enter, and now you copy. Okay, so print the value once again. This is the third one. So we have put back the original. So as you can see, the first and the third one is the same, whereas the second one is different, because what happened is that now we have put back the full stop here. So that is how we can find out how our file has retained the original or it has been tampered. So anything that your file does not retain, that means you cannot say that the file is the same. So that is how the forensic study, they find out the value of hash algorithm plays an important role for them. So likewise, we also find here, so we can just find out now that the SHA-1 here. So we'll find out the SHA-1, the next one here. Okay, so let's close that. Now let's find out instead of this one here. So I'm going to use the same command here, but this time I'm going to use, instead of here, I'm going to use as a SHA-1. So let's run that. So this is the value. So let's copy that, and then let's bring this value once again here, and under this SHA-1 I'm going to paste in the value here. Okay, so this is the first time that this is the original file. Okay, original. Save that. Now this time we are going to add up the file once again here. So let's call, instead of this one here, let me put here value, and then I put some here, full stop. So save that. Now let me check again in the SHA-1. So now let's copy the value here. Okay, we come up again here, and this time let's paste this also on the SHA. So as you can see, even in SHA-1 the value changes. Algorithm has been changed because I've added or modified the original file. So what is written here? So I've added this to value. So what happened is, if I remove this again and I just put here the value of this full stop, and let's save that, close again, and this time let's find out again here, SHA. So whether that will give me the same value or not. So let's edit, copy that, go into the value, and paste under this SHA second line. This time, as you can see, this is the original one, but the second time this SHA-1 doesn't give us the same value. It has changed. So now let's check again the value algorithm there. So if I remove this one, the dot, the full stop here, and then check again in SHA-1. So copy that file again, mark, and then the third one. See there, it is not the same. Now if I put back again here and see whether it will be the same or not. Save that, close, and then rerun again the same command, and this should bring me the same value. Now if I put here, same one here, as you can see here, this and this is the same, but here I have done some changes, but we have bring this. So that means here also it will bring back the same in the SHA-1 also, like MD5, SHA-1 also bring back the same value. Okay, so let's test that SHA-256 now here. So this time let me put here this SHA-256. Okay, so let's save that, and let's test this time. Instead of SHA-1 we'll put here 256 SHA. Okay, and then you see the value increases, the length has increased in SHA-256. So let's copy the value and then we paste it here. This is SHA-256. Okay, so this is our value. So now I will instead I will remove this. Save that again, rerun the same command, and then we'll copy that, bring to value, and then just paste below that. So now I have make a changes, so this is not the same. So now if I put back, it should bring the same value or not. Let's see. So let's go back here again. Let's put here 256 back. Save that and rerun the same command once again. Okay, so let's copy this. Then go back to the lead and compare the original one. Still there is a slight changes. The values are not the same. This file here, the first, second, third file is not the same. SHA-256, let's remove and now rerun the comments once again. This is the first one. And let's rerun again. So now let's copy this file once again to this one here, paste. So now as you can see, this file and this file is now the same. So when we bring back, it is the same. When modify, it changes. So this too, since I have bring back to the original, it is now the same. So even that, now we have tested successfully that MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, and then even that SHA-512 also it will be the same, but the value will increase. The algorithm length will increase. So that is the only thing. So guys, I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.